In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then you can find all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!